Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel White Loop Robotics and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to send sensors reading to email by IFTTT web service. Here I am using BMP280 module and I will send temperature, environment pressure and altitude data to email. Let us start. Here I have created a schematic diagram. This is BMP280 module and this is ESP32 board. VCC pin is connected to 3.3 volt and ground pin is connected to ground pin of ESP board. A CL pin is connected to GPIO 22 of ESP32 and SDA pin is connected to GPIO 21 of ESP32. First of all, we will see IFTTT website and we should some setting there. So I will type here IFTTT. I have already signed in. So we will create a applet. So click on create button. Click on plus this. Search here web hooks and click on web hooks and click on here. We should type a name, event name. So I will type here BMP280 and create trigger, and then here I will search email. Click on email and click on this. This is the format of mail. So okay, here I will type temperature degree centigrade. This is pressure. Pascal. This is altitude. In meter. Value 1 will be temperature and value 2 is pressure and value 3 is altitude. Now click on create action. I will click on finish button. Applet has been created. So now we will just test once. So I will click on webhooks symbol and documentation. This is my API key. Okay, here I will type event name BMP280. This here I will type value, some random value 22. Okay, test it. I will click on test it. Event has been triggered. So I will just open my mail. I'll reload. Yeah. See, temperature is 22 degrees centigrade and pressure is 44 Pascal and altitude is 55 meter. Here it is working. Now we will see programming. I have already created code. This is Wi-Fi library for ESP32. This is IFTTT webhook library. This is BMP280 library. This is password, SSID. This is API key. Here we have to paste from there. First I will copy and here paste. Okay. Event name is BMP280. Here is BMP object. These are variable. Wi-Fi station. Create a Wi-Fi station. Here it is waiting for connectivity to BMP sensor. These are basic register of BMP280, and here is waiting for connectivity with Wi-Fi. Here temperature variable will store the temperature, and pressure variable will store pressure, and altitude variable will store altitude. Here temperature, pressure and altitude will print on serial monitor. Here temperature, pressure and altitude will convert integer into character. This is IFTTT webhook function. It will send request with API key and event name, and here it will trigger with these value temperature, pressure and altitude. Now I will compile and upload. So I will upload, click on upload button, and I will press boot button on ESP32 board. Oh, we need library. Here I will search IFTTT, install this, and we have to install BMP library also, BMP280. Okay, click on install button. And then we have to a little change in library. Documents and Arduino libraries. This is BMP280 library. So here I will open it and change here 7.6. Okay, because what I am using sensor, that I2C address is 76. Save. Again I will upload and press boot button. Done uploading. I will open serial monitor. I will press reset button. Wow, here is temperature is 30.52 degrees centigrade and pressure is 100,769.73 Pascal and altitude, approx altitude is 46.33 meter. Now we will check in mail. What is problem? Sorry, this is our latest mail. Here you can see temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, pressure is 100,769 Pascal and altitude is 46 meter. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you really like this video, so please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.